Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to get an interesting piano sound by using Waves plugins. Let's have a quick listen to the track we're going to be working with.
We take the field, everyone's missing. You point your gun and take your position. Who knew you be my worst enemy? We struggle on, you tug on my feelings, pierced my heart and you stopped it from beating. It's true.
And let's solo the piano. Now normally when I start mixing tracks, I start with EQ and compression, but this track I want to start with delay, as I want to make delay part of the piano sound. So I'm going to load in GTR Stomp 2. Now the great thing about Waves GTR Stomp plugins is that you can have anything from 2 to 6 virtual pedals. As I'm only going to be using 2 virtual pedals on this, I'm just going to load in GTR 2. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is to load in a delay into slot 1. And let's hear that. Let's bring the mix right back. So now we've got the mix sorted out, I'm going to push the sync button. Now the sync button is going to time the delays to the tempo of the song, which is 140 BPM. And I'm going to change the time to dotted quarter notes. And let's hear that. Let's bring the mix up a bit so we can hear it. Now I'm going to bring the high cut back here, as I want the delays to be duller than the original signal. And let's bring the mix back to where it was. Now I'm really happy with the sound of that delay, but I want to get a more interesting sound to add to that delay as well. So I'm going to insert the Delay D pedal. Now I'm going to push the sync button again, and this time I want the delays to be reversed. So let's hear that. Let's bring back the mix a bit. And I'm going to change the time to 8th notes. Let's bring the mix up just a little bit. And I'm really happy with the amount of feedback I've got on both of those delays, so I'm just going to leave them where they are. Join me in the next video where I'm going to be EQing and compressing this piano just to make it fit in the track a little bit better. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.